Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Dunk Low by Nike in the ceramic colorway. These released on the 19th of November 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £90. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Dover Street Market, London. Big thanks to them for the raffle win, and it comes in a classic red and white Nike box. The style code is DA1469001. Inside the box comes the shoes in white wrapping paper. No accessories come with this pair. An extra set of orange laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Nike decided to bring back the unofficially dubbed Ugly Duckling Dunk Low pack from 2001, with its retros Plum and Vinyl that released earlier, as well as D Ceramic in 2020. Like the pair from the early 2000s, it features a black and orange suede upper with forest green suede overlays. This can be seen on the Nike swooshes that wraps around both mid-panels, as well as the heel tab. It has a black nylon tongue and collar, as well as some nylon hints on the heel panel. It features orange insoles with black Nike branding. All of this sits on a white midsole with orange outsole details. Although the suede used on the 2020 isn't as plush as the OG Japanese exclusive Dunks, the low grain suede definitely feels quite premium. My pair did have a few glue stains on the upper, but overall it's a solid shoe for its £90 price point. Sizing wise, I'll stick to your Air Force 1 or Jordan 1 size. I can comfortably go down half a size, but these felt fine true to size. Comfort wise, these are your standard full length air cushioned Dunk Low sole. It's okay for casual use, but I wouldn't use this for anything performance heavy. So the question is, are these a 2 pairs minimum? Me personally, I'm not crazy about the colorway. It does have Halloween vibes, which is quite fun, but it's not something I would wear or recommend. So I'll give these a 0 pair minimum. It's not a mandatory pickup, but it is a nice pair overall. So here are my thoughts, now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment ceramic to show me you watch this video to the end. Please like, subscribe and follow me on all my social media links if you like more of this content. Apart from that, have a good day.